It is with great pride that I congratulate and welcome 32 newly hired and promoted customs officers. Your perseverance and commitment have brought you to this moment, and I am confident that you will carry out your duties with excellence, worthy of the roles you will now assume. But it's better to be clear from the get-go. Hindi sapat na ginagawa lang natin ang mga trabaho natin. Dapat ginagampanan natin ito ng may malasakit. Kung pinasok nyo ang serbisyo publiko, dapat may tunay na hangarin kayong makatulong sa ating bayan. Alalahanin ninyo, tungkulin nating maglingkod ng tapat sa salita at sa gawa.